Hello student, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, what we're going to do, we're going to create what you call master page, right? So I'm using Adobe InDesign right now. So Adobe Design is a software that can handle multiple pages. Okay, it is very much perfect for publication design. Say for example, you have a document or you have a magazine that has 100 pages. So Adobe InDesign is perfect for that. You can use Adobe Illustrator or Adobe Photoshop to create magazine with hundreds of pages, but then it just wouldn't be able to handle multiple pages as good as Adobe InDesign. What will happen if we were to use Adobe Photoshop or Illustrator in design multiple pages? In just maybe 10 page, okay, in just 10 pages, the software will be very sluggish, be very lagging, right? So you won't be able to enjoy designing because how it handles memory. Whereas if you were to use Adobe InDesign, it can handle multiple pages really well. Okay. So our tutorial today is creating master page. So I will tell you what is master pages later. So first of all, click on Adobe InDesign. Make sure it is open. It will ask you to pick what kind of document that you want. Create new. Okay, and soon after change the unit to inches. For my Adobe design, I don't know why by default it is changed to picas. I usually use inches or cm. The size that I'm going to use for this particular tutorial is 7.5 inch times 7 inch. I'm going to create 40 pages, and then I'm going to make sure that it is facing pages. Okay, and make sure it is clicked. I'm going to do two column. Up to you. You want to do three or two. It is depends on your design style. As for the margin, I'm going to just let it be as per default. Okay. Then I'm going to create document. Right. So what will happen when you create your new document is that all 40 pages will be displaying here. Right. So in the first page, what you have is this page where it is oddly uh, single over here, okay, whereas the others are facing pages. Right. So what is this? Okay, and these are not covers actually. This is the back of the cover. Right. When you have a cover of a book or of a magazine, these are back of that cover. This is back cover of the front page. This is back cover of the back page, of course. Right. And this is assigned to be page 1, page 2, page 3, and this is page 40, right? So that's how it is. I'm sure there are some adjustment that you can make to make the first page to be facing pages, but I've never done that. So I usually just leave it like this, right? So in order to handle all these pages, what you can do, you can go to Window, and then you can find Pages, right? So if you were to pick layout, okay, usually I will pick Essential Classic, okay, because I'm used to this kind of layout. So I'm just going to pick that, and then usually it is on the right side. You can click Pages. So all 40 pages are here, right? It even indicates the page number over here as well. Okay. So what you see here at Pages tab here, there is none. Okay, up here there is none, and then there is A master, which is left and right. Okay, left page, right page, A master. Right. So what is master page is that whatever design decision that you put on either side of this, it will automatically assign to all the pages. Right. If you were to put something here on the design, all the page on the left side will follow it, right? For example, let's try one. I'm going to create maybe an ellipse here, a circle. Let's give it a color, pink. I don't want stroke, right? Okay, now it is here. Sorry, let's do it in the master page. Okay, a master. If you were to do it here, only this page 2 is affected, right? Let's just cut that and then go to master A and then double click on the first one. Double click. All right. So you will have all this. You will have only have two pages, the left one and the right one. So let's put the rectangle. You can see, okay, whenever I put the rectangle on the side, all the left side of the page, okay, assigned with the circle here, okay, with the ellipse here. Okay, if I were to put maybe another different object on the right side, which in this particular it's polygon. Okay, on the right side there are polygon, right there. Okay, you can even now go to the other page. Okay, you can double click on any page and then you can just go to that page. Okay, so why this is important in publication design, right? Not to do a design like this, but for example, if you have your own format of a magazine, of a newspaper, then it is easier for you to assign those format to all the pages that you have throughout the issue of newspaper or magazine or even books. So for example, okay, um, I click on the A master. Okay, I double click just now, and then see, for example, here I put a design down here which says the title of the book. Okay, designer story. Just see that's the title. I'm going to pick Futura. Then I'm going to change it to slightly smaller font, maybe 6 point. The color I'm going to change it to maybe not 100% black, but maybe around 60% black. Okay, let's zoom in, and then I'm going to click on property. I want it to be in the middle, so I can go to paragraph, center, and then make sure it is aligned horizontal center. Okay, I'm going to make the text box a little bit smaller, not that big. Okay, again align it to center, okay, like so. And then on top of this design, I also want to add a line. Say for example here I put a line. Okay, over the other side I also put lines as well. So these are part of the decoration of the book. Maybe the line I change the color to maybe blue, right? And then as for the top, maybe nothing. Okay, maybe nothing at the top, right? So now, okay, let's look at the pages. Double click on maybe page 1. Page 1 is on the right side, so it has nothing. But all the pages on the left side, they all have this marking, right? So that's the format of this book. Okay. Um, let's do something on the right side. Okay, double click on the A master, and then I'm just going to copy paste, Control C, Control V. I'm gonna assign it to the middle as well. The same line. I'm just eyeball it. I'm not going to be very particular. Okay. Of course, in the real sense, you have to be very particular. But for this one, I just don't have time for that. Okay. This page here on the right side, I want it to be magenta. Right. So it has some nice color. Okay. And I click on this one. Okay. There. Okay, you have designed for the left side and design for the right side. Assign to all the pages on the left and right. The left one is blue in color, cyan. The right one is magenta in color, right? But what if, okay, on some pages you don't want to have any master, okay, master assign. So for example, this one, which is supposed to be perhaps acknowledgement page or table of content page, you don't want it. What you can do, you can go to none here, okay, click on it, and then just simply let me scroll up, click none, hold your mouse, okay, and then just drag over to page one, and then it will disappear. Okay, again, you just click on none here, okay, click and then hold and then drag over to page one. Perhaps also you can also drag over to page number 40, which is the last page, and both of them won't have that anymore. All right, so that's how you assign master page to any pages that you want. All right, so I hope you learn something from this tutorial. See you again next time. Thank you. Bye bye.